Hi! For this week's vlog, we're going to be compiling what everyone has been doing in the snow. Well, not everyone, just what I've been doing in the snow, what Caleb's been doing in the snow, and what Shane's been doing in the snow, because we would have been all together this weekend to film a vlog, but we're all in the snow instead. So, let's begin with Caleb, what Caleb has been doing in the snow.
What's up, guys? So I'm in Corvallis. I wasn't able to go up to Portland this weekend. There was too much snow. Sam asked me to shoot a little bit around Corvallis, so I'm gonna give you a little bit of B-roll of the house just to kind of show you where I'm living when I'm not at home. You'll probably tell from this B-roll that there is no snow here. In fact, it was like 45 degrees yesterday. It was a pretty uneventful weekend. All my plans got canceled, so it's a pretty boring weekend here in Corvallis. Nothing's going on. I'm at home. It's Valentine's Day. A little bit about me living in this house. I got 2 roommates in this room. We don't sleep in here. It's just where we study. There's actually a sleeping porch upstairs where we go. There's like, I don't know, 30 beds up there, and then there's a smaller sleeping porch where there's some other beds. You may be thinking, you know, in this small room, 3 roommates, that may be too much. It's actually not that bad. I actually like it. My roommates are cool, and that's pretty much my living situation.
Cool. That was really cool, Caleb. Thank you. Now, let's show you what Shane's been doing in the snow. Let's show you what I've been doing in the snow.
You gonna catch it?
No, throw it on the ground.
Oh,
my God, not at me, on the ground.
Okay, so there's a song that was used in this video, this one, that Luke Osborne and Jackson Hill made for this video, which is really nice. They also have a podcast. It's called the Trap Turnover Podcast. I listen to it often. Actually, it's about basketball and rap, and regardless of whether you're into that or not, you should absolutely go check them out because it's worth your time, and they're putting a lot of hard work into it. Let them know you listened, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for the song, Luke and Jackson.
On the bright side, I got some Cheez-Its.